Hi, to block contacts on Samsung Galaxy S25, just swipe up from your home screen to enable App Drawer and find Contacts. After that, you will need to pick a contact you want to block, tap it, tap More button, and choose to block it. Then confirm that you will no longer receive any calls or messages from this contact. And now this icon appears under the name of the contact. So if you just go back to your home screen, open Phone app, tap on three dots and tap Settings, then you'll be able to find your blocked contacts by tapping Block Numbers tab. And here it is. You can easily unblock it if you tap this minus, and now the contact is unblocked. So that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.